If your Gmail storage is getting full and you want to free up space on Google Drive, one of the fastest ways to do that is by permanently deleting emails in Gmail the right way. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to delete emails, empty the trash, and clear spam so the storage is actually released. This is a simple process, but there's one important detail many people miss, so make sure you follow all the steps carefully. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Gmail in your browser or on your device and sign in to the Google account that's running low on storage. Once you're inside your inbox, take a look at the emails you no longer need. You can delete individual messages one by one, or if you want to clean up faster, you can select multiple emails at the same time by checking the boxes next to them. After you've selected the emails you want to remove, look for the trash icon at the top of Gmail. Click that trash icon to move the selected emails into the trash folder. At this point, the emails are not permanently deleted yet. They've just been moved out of your inbox and into trash, which means they can still take up storage until you empty it. Now here's the most important step. On the left side of Gmail, scroll down and click on Trash. This folder contains all the emails you've deleted recently. Inside Trash, you'll see an option that says Empty Trash Now. Click that option and then confirm the deletion when Gmail asks you to make sure. Once you confirm, those emails are permanently deleted. This is the step that actually helps free up space in your Google account, including storage tied to Gmail and Google Drive. But don't stop there. If you really want to reclaim as much space as possible, you should also clear out your spam folder. Spam messages can build up over time and use storage without you even realizing it. To do that, go back to the left sidebar and click Spam. Then choose Delete All Spam Messages Now. Confirm if prompted, and Gmail will clear out those unwanted messages as well. If you want the best results, it's a good idea to repeat this process whenever your storage starts getting full. You can also search for large emails, old newsletters, or messages with attachments to delete even more space-saving files faster. So just to recap, select the emails you want to remove, click the trash icon, open trash, empty it permanently, and then clear spam too. That's the full process to permanently delete emails in Gmail and free up storage on your Google account. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more quick Gmail tips and Google storage tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.